Hola hijos, how are you? This is Miss Paiva, and I finally figured out how to do the webcam, so now you guys can see me. So this is the lesson for today. This is week 3, May 4th to May 8th. Okay, so really what we're going to do this week is we're going to review, right, comparatives adjectives from last week, and then we're also going to do superlative adjectives. Okay, today I am leaving everything that you have to do for next for Friday. Okay, so this is what you need to finish by Friday. So you're going to watch this lesson, which is this video, like right now. Then you are going to watch the videos that I will show you right now. Okay, and the practice. Okay, so there are more videos, and then practice online, and then you have to finish practice number 1, and then you have to finish the quiz. Okay, so all of it is for Friday. Okay, the video, and then the videos in this lesson with the practice, and then finish practice number 1, and then you're going to finish the quiz. Okay, so comparative and superlative adjectives. This is week 3. Here, this is where I am going to put this video. Okay. So how do we use comparative and superlative adjectives? We are going to review comparatives from last week, and we are going to add superlatives. Okay, so let's go over comparatives real quick, and let's do the review. Okay, so you've seen this before, right? When we have one syllable, right, to compare two things, right, we use er than, taller than, larger than, right? And when we have consonant, vowel, consonant, we double the last consonant. Bigger than, hotter than. We double G, double T. Okay. Look at this picture here. This is Miss Nera, Miss Paiva, right? Miss Nera is taller than Miss Paiva. Más alta que, right? You know that if it is in the Y, you have to drop the Y and then happier than. Angry, drop the Y and then you add IEN, right? When it's 2 or more syllables, right, you have polite. 2 or more. You have to add more than. Annoying, annoying. 3 syllables, right? More annoying than. You also have the irregular ones that you just have to memorize, right? So you have good becomes better than, bad worse than, and far further than. Right? So this is all review from last week, and I'm giving you new exercises here. I'm sorry. First, you're going to watch the video here. You're going to click on play, and the video is going to pop up. There it is. You're going to watch this video.
Is about comparative adjectives.
Okay. After, it's the same thing that I am telling you, just another version of it. So you're going to watch, and you're going to practice here on the next slide. Okay. Go to the websites to practice using comparative adjectives. So these are 3 different websites. So if you click on the name, then you have the website. You're going to click there, and it's going to take you to a website, and this is comparative. So for example, I don't know, number 6, right? And you have to write London is busy than Glasgow. So busy, comparative would be busier than. But because it has a Y, I have to drop the Y, erase the Y, and add IER, busier. London is busier than Glasgow. So now I'm going to check that is correct. But what happens, for example, if I do it wrong? Then you have an X. And then if you want to see the answer, there it is. Okay? So this is for you to practice. Same thing here, right? Another website for you to practice again. One more website for you to practice again. Okay? So 3 websites where you can practice, and then you're going to check your answers. Okay, check answers. Okay. So all of that is review. Okay, now here's the new things for this week. We are doing superlative adjectives. Okay, and this is to compare 3 three or more. Okay, three or more adjectives. Okay, so as the rules are similar to comparatives, but this one means that it's the most. Okay, el más. Okay, por ejemplo, if we have one syllable, right, you're going to add da and est. For example, strong, right, like strong, right? If you want to say Superman, right, is da, right, strongest. Okay, so el más fuerte, acá, más fuerte, el más fuerte, the coldest, right? Cold is when you're cold, frío, right? El más frío, the coldest. Okay, what happens when we have a consonant vowel consonant, CVC? We had to add double G, double T. You have to double the last consonant and add da, est. Okay, same here. What happens when you have a Y? You drop the Y and add da, iest. Happy becomes the happiest. Angry, the angriest. Okay, two or more syllables, same thing. The most. For example, polite, polite, two syllables. The most polite. Annoying, we know it's three syllables. The most annoying. El más annoying. The same thing with this irregular verbs. I mean, irregular adjectives. Good becomes the best. El mejor, right? Bad, the worst. Far, the farthest. Okay, so these are the rules very similar to the comparatives. Now, on the next slide, I'm giving you a video. Okay, same information, but it's just another version of it. So you're going to click. These are the videos that I want you to watch. Okay, it's only 3 minutes, so very, very short. Okay, after the video, here you have some practice. Okay, so you are going to go to the websites and you are going to practice. You have 3 websites, 1, 2, and 3. You are going to practice 3 times. I'm going to show you. This is a quiz, a practice quiz. And you are going to select, right? You are going to read directions and you're going to select, and then you're going to check your answers. Okay, so these 3 websites are practice. Okay, now these are practice because the 2 things that you have to turn in, give me in Google Classroom is number 1, okay, the practice, comparative and superlative adjectives, practice 1. So you're going to complete this and turn it in for points, okay, 20 points. Number 2 is the quiz. It's a writing piece, okay, where you're going to compare and contrast, right? Lo que es similar y lo que es diferente de estos dos animales. So you're going to write 1 paragraph, okay? The directions are there and it's also posted in Google Classroom, okay? These 2 things are due on Friday, okay? And that's it, hijos. Here's again the summary, right? You watch this video, you watch the videos on the lesson with the practice online, and the 2 things that you had to turn in, practice number 1 and the quiz. Okay, and that's it. I will see you tomorrow during Zoom on Tuesday and Thursday at 12:45. I miss you guys. See ya.